How to block sensitive content on Facebook. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to the menu page. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon given at the top right. You'll be directed to settings and privacy page. Here you're gonna find defense section. Under preferences, you're gonna find the option content preferences. Click on that. Now head over to this section. What do you see? Navigate to the option sensitive content. Now what you have to do is set it to show less. There's no such option within Facebook to disable it, but you can set it to show less. This will limit sensitive contents on your Facebook account. Now you can click on save. Click on OK. Likewise, next thing you can do is head towards the sensitive post. You can either hide the post, snooze the page or the person, unfollow or report the post if it's inappropriate. For that, you'll need to click on three dots given at the top right corner of the post and select these options: hide post, not interested, or report. And that's it. This way you can disable or block sensitive content on your Facebook account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.